I'm outside number 8 Oakmoor Drive. It's a detached 3-bedroom property. It's got a new kitchen, or kitchen that's been put in since it was built, and a lovely living room, garden, and parking for 2 cars around the side behind the house as well. Oakmoor Drive is close to the town centre. It's also very close to the doctors and Lidl, Marks and Spencer's food. It's very convenient location. So call the office on 01566 776 211. Book a viewing now.